Hello everyone, Sultan here, and in this video I will show you how to start a blog inside of the GrooveBlog dashboard. Okay, so this will be a lengthy video tutorial because I'm going to show you how to start building this blog from scratch, how to customize it, how you can add the Google Analytics, and so on and so forth. So the first thing you need to do is click on new blog. Here you want to add a name and a subdomain like imscope v3 for example, and click on done, and this page will pop up like you see in here. Now all you have to do is just customize it. So the first thing you need to do is click on publish, then go to the theme, click on customize theme, and here you want to change the font to whatever you want, but there is only one font available right now, so I'm going to choose the Roboto font. And the font size, you want this to be medium, and the body font, I like it to be Nonito, like so. And then you want to scroll down and you want to play with the colors right here. So I want to go and grab my color palette real quick. So here is my logo, and let me see the red color, which is this one. So click on the add a new color and just copy the hex color and go back to your GrooveBlog and start changing the font. And start changing the colors right here. So I want to change the color here to red. Also in the button, I like it to be red also, like so. And the image overlay is also red. Okay, so like you see, what else you can do? You can change the overlay transparency, like when you hover over the image, like you see, you can, for example, make it, for example, 50%, and the overlay will increase. So I like it to be in the middle. So next thing you want to do is go to layout, and here is where you can change the layout of your home page, your post page, and your category page. Okay, so let's start from the home page. For example, I want to disable the sidebar. You can do that in here, but I want to enable it. I want to also show the opt-in form, show the date, and the number of posts. You want this to be 10 because 5 is not enough. And the post style, you can choose whether you want it a list, like so, a grid, and a masonry. I like masonry in my opinion. Then you can sort the post by the last updated or the last created, whatever that suits your needs. Then go and click on the post page, and for example you want to disable the sidebar in here, so maybe you want this to be content focused. It is totally up to you. Also you can choose to disable the date, which is right here. So maybe you want to disable it, you want to enable it, whatever that suits your need, but I want to enable it. And I want to show the sidebar because of the email form. And then I want to go to the category page. The category page looks like this, and you just want this to be masonry because I like masonry. And the number of posts, you want to have it at 10 also. And I think that is it for the customizer. I mean, in the future you will be able to add more fonts and more customizations, but this is what you can do at the moment. Now click on save. Now click on exit. Now what you want to do is go to the settings. Now you can choose the blog post URL. For example, I want this to be a post name because I only want to choose, for example, imscope.online/post name. That's what I want to do. And the tag URL, I want this to be, I want to leave it at default, but maybe you want to have a month or a year, and then a month, and then a day. I don't care about the hours and seconds, but it is what it is. And the category URL. So I think there is no way you can have a category name. So what I'm going to do is I will do the same as the tag URL. For example, let me see, year, month, day, and that is it. Now click on save, then go to the domains. So I want to publish this blog on a domain.com/blog, and now I want to select the domain, which is imscope.online, and I want to select the root, and the folder name is blog. Now click on save. Then you want to go to the logo. So you want to remove this logo. You want to choose your logo. I think by now you know how to create a logo. Here it is. Click on the three dots. I want to crop it. So then what you want to do is click on crop and select again, and click on save. Go to the fave icon, remove this fave icon and click on choose again. Scroll down till you find your logo. Here it is. Click on the three dots again, crop. You just want the icon like so. Now crop and select, click on save. Social links. I only have Facebook and YouTube at the moment, so I will be adding them real quick. I want to choose an icon, and this is Facebook. I want to go to my Facebook profile like so. I'm going to copy the link, go back and paste it in here. Then you want to go to YouTube. I want to copy and paste the YouTube channel link. So go to your channel, and then you want to copy the channel link, go back and paste it in here. Choose an icon, which is YouTube, like so. Click on save. Go to the comments. There is a Facebook app ID. I will show you how to do that. Go to developers.facebook.com. Now go to my apps and just create an app. This is for a business. Click on next, and this is my email, and I want to choose my page. I think that is it. App name cannot be empty, so I want to add an app name. For example, I am scope comments. Now create an app. I want to have the password in here real quick. Click on submit. Then the business is not allowed to claim app, so I think you've got the idea. Just create an app, and I want to cancel this, and this is my app ID. I want to copy it and go back to Facebook app ID and paste the app ID in here. The width in pixel, GrooveFunnels recommends that you have a 750 pixels wide, okay? And the number of posts, you want this to be 10 also. Now click on save. You can also watch this video tutorial by clicking on the question mark, and David Lemon will show you how to create this Facebook app ID and the rest of these settings. Now go to forms. You want to select a form header, for example, get an exclusive, I want to say sign up, and get 10 bonuses for free, and I will say here sign up below, and here I want to choose this the form. For example, let me have it real quick. Groove new funnel. Now click on save. Then you want to go to the copyright, which is the most important thing. I want to remove this. 2022 I am scope, like so. Click on save. You can embed ads by going to the Groove Partner Program or groovejv.com. I think it is the same. So let me scroll down. And what you want to do is go to the banners and just copy and paste the banners. So for the sidebar, the minimum width is 300 pixels. So I want to go and find a 300 pixel wide banner if I can. I think this 330 by 250 is suited, so I want to copy the banner code and just have it in the sidebar. And then you want to do is have this code like BR, like so, and go and find the other banner on whatever you want. So I think I will be enough with this at the moment. So next you want to have a sidebar for the header and the footer. The minimum width is 970 pixels wide. So now we are in this banners. I want to copy this banner. This is for demonstration purposes at the moment, but I will be changing it once I finish with this video. So maybe you want to have another banner ad in the sidebar, so you want to scroll down and you want to find, for example, this banner, copy the link, or the Inflation Busters banner. Okay, copy the banner URL, the code, and paste it in the sidebar. Click on save, go to tracking and pixels, which is the most important thing. So what you want to do is go to Google Search Console, go to the first link, start now, and you want to have, I already added my blog like you see, but what you want to do is just have your blog prefix in here and follow the steps and just copy and paste the Google tag inside of the head. Okay, just paste it in here and you are good to go. Then what you want to do also is, let me do it real quick. I think I didn't do it. So this is the blog, and go to the settings and let me find the ownership verification, and this is the HTML tag. I want to copy it and paste it inside the tracking and pixels in the head. Click on save. Now go to the OG and meta settings. So this is the most important thing. This is how your blog would look like in Google. So this is internet marketing scope build, and this is the tag. This is the tagline. So I will say build an online profitable business, and the meta description. So what you want to do is go, I have access to a copywriting software called Word Hero. So what I want to find is SEO. Search for SEO and the SEO description, and what I want to have here is I want to have my website name, then a comma and a description. For example, I just want to copy and paste the meta title and paste it in here, and let's see what it can do. Let's say build an online profitable affiliate marketing business. Write for me. Here is where you can add keywords, but it is not necessary. So, want to build an online business that produces steady income? Learn how to create a profitable affiliate marketing business with our comprehensive grow your business and start making money online with our comprehensive course. So let me see. Discover how to create a successful online affiliate marketing business, and let me copy this and paste it in the description. And for the meta keywords, I already have my keywords, but you should do your own research, guys, about this. So I will just stop the video and I will get back to you. So here are my keywords. Just copy it. I will copy the whole row, and I want to go and find comma separator in Google and just open this tree tool and paste my keywords in here because I want to have a comma, and I just want to remove the keyword like so. Now click on the arrow, and here is your keywords in commas like so. Now I want to paste it in here. The OG title. The OG title, I just want to grab my meta title and have it in here. And the OG URL, I will say I just want to write my blog name, and this is the type of the blog is articles, and you want to have the SEO description. I just want to copy and paste the meta description, and you should create an OG image. I already have done so. I just want to select it. Now all you have to do is click on save. That's it. Well, next what you want to do is go to the RSS settings, which is a new feature, or I don't think so. This is where you can add multiple authors, I think. So my name is, the author is me, Sultan, and select post type, popular post, and just click on save. And now we are done with the settings of the blog like so. Then what you want to do is go to publish again, click on publish, and let me visit the blog. Yeah, now I am scope.online/blog. Now you want to go to the ownership and verify the ownership. Just click on verify, and it is verified successfully. What else you can do? Let me go to the GrooveBlog, and this is my blog at the moment. Like so, like you see the banners in here. This is the form, and this is the other banners. Like you see, I added a BR, and this will have a separate between the banners like so. It will make it much more organized in my opinion. And let me open one of the posts. For example, this post. Everything is looking good in my opinion. Let me open the blog in a live view. Yeah, I think everything looks as good as it is. Now what you want to do is, the last thing is the navigation. Go to the GrooveBlog, click on the navigation, if I can find it, list navigation, and you want to remove these like so. I don't want it. What I want to have is, click on the plus, and this is home, and I want to have my home page, which is imscout.online. Click on add. Leave this as it is. We will fix it later. But now what you want to do next is home and about and blog. Okay, like HTTPS, like so. Click on add, and you want to drag it above the about like so. Then you want to edit the about us, and you want to go to imscope.online, go to the about, and this is the about me section. I just want to paste it in here. Click on update, and this is the header done. What else you can do? If you can go to the footer navigation, I want to remove all of these. I don't have any community, unfortunately, and I want to remove the reviews, and this is the privacy policy. I want to edit this, and I want to go back and find the privacy policy in here. Just copy it and paste it in here. Click on update, and you want to click on the plus again, and this is a footer navigation, and this is, if I can scroll down, the about page. Now let me click on the about page and copy the link again and paste it in here. Click on add. Then you want to click on the plus again, and you want to have the contact us page. I want to have a link name, contact, and the URL. Click on add. What else? There is affiliate disclosure. I just want to copy this and open it. Click on the plus. I want to have a name, and the link, paste it in here, click on the plus. What else? Let me scroll down and see the liability disclaimer. I want to copy the name, and the link like so. Click on add, and the income disclaimer, let me copy this and click on the plus, liability disclaimer, and the link, click on add, and now your footer is pretty much done. What you want to do next is go to the categories, and I just want to remove these categories, these links from the navigation. I don't want it. I think that is it really. Now click on publish, and let me view the blog now. If I can go to imscope.online/blog, and this is the home, this is the navigation. There is no category in here. If you can scroll down, here is the logo, the legal pages, and I think this is your social media stuff down there. Next thing, I think that is it really. Let me see if I didn't miss anything. Yes, go to categories. I don't want to have all of these categories, so I will delete it like so. I just want to have the latest, and that is it. Now go to post, and here is the post. It is just a lorem ipsum, but in the next video I will show you how to create a converting blog post, or how to structure your blog to your needs, and I will show you some live examples on this. Okay, I think that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one, guys.